as the world is becoming more and more unstable because of the wars which are going on, every continent and every country as of now is trying to increase its spending on military, which on the one hand is increasing the military power of every country, while on the other hand the other sectors are suffering because of it, be it healthcare, education and other sectors. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering the SIPRI report which has recently been released, and it talks about the increasing military expenditure by every single country. Then we will be seeing what are the highlights of the SIPRI report, which all are the top 5 countries who are spending the maximum on their defense budget. So let us first of all look at the news, and it talks about the global military spending hits record 2.7 trillion US dollars in 2024, sharpest rise since the Cold War. Then 2024 global military spending hit 2.7 trillion US dollars in record surge. So it says that what the countries are spending as of now to increase their military strength is increasing, and it directly or indirectly shows that where the world is leading to. The world is leading to an unstable world. The world is leading to where a lot of arms and ammunition is required, and the world is leading towards the instability where wars are taking place. So a lot of spending is also going with regards to the Russia-Ukraine war, the Israel-Hamas war, or the instability which as of now is going on in the African continent. So before moving forward, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida, and the admissions are open for the IAS GS foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 7th of May, while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 29th of April. In case of any query, give us a call at 87501. So let us move towards the news. So a new report by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, popularly known as SIPRI report. So SIPRI report basically talks about that the military expenditure or the arms and ammunition, what are the defense budget of the country. So it basically focuses on the defense sector of every country and how the globe is, or how the country are moving towards spending on the defense sector, making it more powerful. So the SIPRI report has recently been launched, and the highlight point of the report was that the global military expenditure has reached 2.7 trillion US dollars in the year 2024, which is considered to be the steepest rise since the end of the Cold War. And when we talk about Cold War, so you can consider it as a time of around the time of 1945 till the disintegration of the Soviet Union, that is till the time of 1991. So during the time of Cold War, the world, you can say, was divided into two halves. One was led by the Soviet Union while the other was led by the US. So you can also say it was democracy versus communism. So basically during this time, both the Soviet Union and the US was trying to get countries into their halves. So at that point of time, since the time of Cold War in the year 2024, the steepest rise in the expenditure of country on military. It means that the country, every country as of now is increasing its spending on the military basis. It means that they are buying more and more arms and ammunition from outside. So what are the highlights of the SIPRI report? So the SIPRI report basically talks about that the sharpest increases were observed in Europe and the Middle East due to the ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and Gaza. Now Europe, because of the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the Ukraine being a part of the Europe, and also the other European countries who are part of the NATO alliance with the US are also supporting Ukraine and were providing the arms and ammunition and also the military aid to the Ukraine. So with that, the Europe was very much spending on the military expenditure. And second comes the Middle East, and this was with regards to the multifaceted war of Israel, be it with Lebanon, be it with Iran, be it with Hamas or Gaza. So this was the reason that why the sharpest increase has been observed in Europe and Middle East. Then over 100 countries increased their military budgets in the year 2024, and now more than 100 countries. It means that the countries are now spending more and more, and they want more and more arms and ammunition and better technology, arms and better technology to, they want to import it so that the defense of every country becomes more and more technology friendly and also more and more developed. Then global military spending rose by 9.4% compared to 2023. So since the year 2023 to the year 2024, global military spending has increased by 9.4%. So you can say around 10% increase has been observed in a gap of one single year. Then 2024 marks the 10th consecutive year of rising global military expenditure, and a lot has to do with regard and even the developed countries, the Europe and the US and also the Middle Eastern countries. Like for example, India is the second largest importer of arms, and the country from which India imports the maximum quantity of arms is Russia, followed by US and France also. Then CIPRI warns that prioritizing military spending over other budget areas may lead to long-term economic and social consequences. So long-term economic and social consequences means that if the countries will keep on raising its military budget, then the other sectors, like for example healthcare sector, which every country needs to see, the social security sector, the social schemes sector, education sector, so all these sectors will also suffer, because the amount which needed to go to these sectors will also be going into the buying of the military arms and ammunition and also increasing the military budget. Europe sees unprecedented hike. So the European countries, including Russia, saw unprecedented increase in the military spending, and the reason was the Russia-Ukraine war. And then military spending in Europe rose by around 17%. 17%, surpassing levels last seen at the end of the Cold War. So since the time of Cold War in the year 2024, sharpest rise has been seen. Then Russia's spending, so Russia is spending on what? So it is spending an estimated 149 billion US dollars in the year 2024, which is 38% increase from the year 2023. Then double the spending levels of 2015. So what they were spending in the year 2015, 10 years later, a decade later, they are spending almost double of it. Military spending accounted for around 7.1% of GDP and around 19% of total government expenditure. So you can imagine the amount of money a huge country like Russia is spending on the military aids and also bettering its military technology. Then Ukraine is spending a total military expenditure of around 64.7 billion, which is up from 2.9% from the year 2023. Now coming on to the Germany's surge, military expenditure rose by 28%, overtook India to become the fourth largest military spender globally. So Germany has become the fourth largest military spender globally. Then comes the Middle East war factor. Now Middle East has also added on to the spending of the increased spending on the military basis. So overall Middle East spending, overall including all the countries of the Middle East, military spending in the Middle East reached 243 billion US dollars, a 15% increase from the year 2023. So basically you can see, be it Ukraine, be it Russia, be it Germany, all these countries, the spending is increasing, and even all the Middle Eastern countries also. Israel military expenditure surged by 65% in the year 2024. So you can imagine 65%, it means more than 50% rise has seen. Then Iran's decline in spending. So Iran's military expenditure fell by around 10% in the year 2024. So a country whose military expenditure has come down in the year 2024. So a good example is Iran. Then impact of sanctions on Iran. So SIPRI has highlighted that sanctions severely limited Iran's ability to increase its military spending, because the sanctions has been put by the United States on Iran with regard to its nuclear program, and this sanctions is impacting the trade that Iran can do with other countries also. Now China, US has also increased its spending. Now the world's second largest spender, that is China, has increased its military budget by 7%. 7%. So even China is increasing its military budget. Then military spending by the US, which is the world's largest spender, has increased by 5.7%. So it is not that only the countries who are at war, they are increasing the spending on military expenditure. The other countries are also increasing its military expenditure. Now top 5 countries with the highest defense budgets in the year 2025, and you will be shocked to see the gap between the first placed country and the second placed country. So the country which has the highest military budget and the defense budget, so that is United States of America, and the amount is 895 billion US dollars, while on second position we have China with 266.85 billion US dollars. So the second position is 266 billion US dollars, while the first position is US, that is 895 billion US dollars. So around 3 times, triple. So imagine the difference between US and the other country, that is China. So the difference between the first and the second position is huge. Third is Russia, 126 billion. Fourth is India with 75 billion US dollars. So India is at the fourth position with regard to the defense budget, and Saudi Arabia with 74.76 billion. So this is an important point that you need to know. And also you need to know that India is also increasing its defense budget and is importing more and more technologies, and the countries from where India imports a lot of defense equipment, that is Russia, US, France, and the import in India with regard to advanced technology is also on a rise, and the manufacturing sector of India with regard to defense manufacturing is also on a rise. Now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and like always you people need to tell me the answer in the comments below. So the question is, which country is the world's second largest arms importer in the world? Ukraine, India, Iran, or Saudi Arabia? And the second largest importer report has also been given by SIPRI, and earlier we have also covered this point or this SIPRI report in which the second largest arms importer, we have discussed this. So give me the answer in the comments below, and the options are Ukraine, India, Iran, or Saudi Arabia. So give me the answer in the comments below, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.